In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Confluence. We'll walk through a clear, reliable way to place a table on your page, fill it with information, and save your changes so your team can see them. By the end, you'll be comfortable using both the toolbar and the quick command to insert a table, and you'll know a few practical tips to keep everything neat and readable. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want the table to live. Make sure you're on the correct space and the correct page so the table ends up exactly where your readers expect it. If you have view access but don't see editing controls, you may need edit permissions from your space administrator, but assuming you do, you're ready to continue. Click Edit at the top of the page to enter the editor. This switches the page into an editable mode and reveals the formatting toolbar. While you're editing, your readers won't see your changes until you publish, so you can take your time to get things right. Place your cursor where the table should appear. It helps to tap Enter once to create a bit of breathing room above or below other content, especially if you're placing the table between paragraphs or beneath a heading. Positioning your cursor now ensures the table drops in exactly where you intend. Next, insert the table. You can click the table icon on the toolbar, or simply type the / command / followed by the word table. The / command is fast and works anywhere your cursor sits. Either action will open a small grid or prompt that lets you define the table's size. Choose the number of rows and columns you need. If you're unsure, start small. You can always add or remove rows and columns later, so don't overbuild the table up front. A common starting point is a header row with a few columns for the key attributes you plan to track, like name, owner, or status. Now add your information inside the table cells. Click a cell and type. Use Tab to move to the next cell, and Shift plus Tab to move backward. Press Enter to create a new line within a cell if you need multiple lines. You can format text with bold, italics, or lists using the toolbar, and you can drag column borders to adjust widths so longer entries fit cleanly. When you're satisfied, publish the page to save the table. Publishing makes your updates visible to everyone who can view the page, keeping your content consistent and easy to digest.